Sensational, what happened to the whole pre-plucked hairline situation? Because right now I'm feeling mighty disappointed, you guys. Like, sensational, sensational, you're slacking, and I am not impressed. I am not impressed.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Sensational What Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Zaila and the color number 2. So let's just pop it into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with 13x6 parting space, HD lace, baby hairs, as well as it says a pre-plucked hairline. I feel like Sensational has been the pioneer as far as pre-plucked hairlines, but with this unit, they are reminding me of like one of these ridiculous Bobby Boss unit hairlines. Like, this hairline is not it, you guys. So as you can see, it seems like they honestly did the minimal amount of work when it came to plucking the hairline. Like, girl. The texture on this unit, I actually really do like it. It's definitely a Yaki texture. I definitely did get a good amount of shedding with it. I didn't really get much tangling. I really do like the texture of the hair though. The texture of the hair feels like it's pretty good quality, honestly. The density is definitely on the fuller side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150% density, so I do like that. The length is definitely more on the natural side. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it comes about just to my boobs. The cap size on this one is definitely feeling small and medium head friendly. Could possibly be big head friendly. There is a little bit of stretch to the cap, but definitely do note if you do have a larger size head, I definitely would just stray on the side of caution with this one. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you want to add heat, you can. I did notice the top of it had a little bit of hump action, and I'm still seeing it a bit. I didn't feel like adding heat to it, so I did just go in with my brush to get it to lay down some more. But of course, you can add heat if you do feel like making it look more realistic. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con with this unit is 100% going to be the hairline. Like I said, they just did not put the work into it. It's very minimal as far as it being pre-plucked, and I feel like for this price point, they need to knock it down, because this is way too much money for us to be spending and not getting a pre-plucked hairline. Like, that is the whole emphasis behind the What Lace collection. So I feel like they honestly 100% dropped the ball when it comes to the hairline, and I'm so disappointed with this. Honestly, I think that's probably my only con with this unit, but I feel like it is a giant con because we're buying units hoping that we have minimal work when it comes to customization. So I feel like the fact that it's not pre-plucked is definitely a major downside for me, and I wouldn't have picked it up if I had known that it was not pre-plucked. Now, the pros on this unit though, the fact that you do get that 13x6 parting space. If you want to go in and do versatile styles with it, you can do that. The fact that it does at least come with baby hair, so you can try to make it look a little bit more realistic. So the texture is really nice. I feel like the density is beautiful. This whole wave pattern of situation that's going on, this body wave vibe, is very beautiful. Honestly, I feel like this unit would have been absolutely perfect if not for the bit of shedding that I got, as well as the hairline as a whole. I feel like if you're willing to put the work into it, this definitely could be a keeper. But if you're somebody who leans more towards beginner friendly, or somebody who doesn't want to go in and put the additional work that it takes to make your unit look more realistic as far as plucking it yourself, then I definitely would not lean towards this one. And so if the hairline is not an issue for you and you don't mind plucking your units, I definitely would recommend this one. But if you're looking for something that's minimal work that you don't really have to do much with, then I would definitely stray against this one. So that's pretty much all I would say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.